In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this Motorola. First of all, go into settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and click on display. Now scroll down again, click on font size and tap on the best option for you. In my case, small. When you're ready, select the back button and as you can see, size of my font has changed. You can also go into Moto app instead. Click on those three lines at the top left corner and select Personalize. Now click on font size, tap on the best one, but this time save it by choosing this check mark at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!